Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to generate product description using AI tool. Here you can go and type AI product description generator. Here you will get different platforms and tools. You can open it. Now let me scroll down. Here you can create your free account. Click on get started. Then continue with Google. Select your Google account and then allow access. Open this page, free tools, scroll down, and here you can see these are the different AI tools that you can use. You can humanize your AI generated content. You can check the grammar mistakes. Then scroll down and here you can select this one, product description generator. Okay, now here you can add the product description. For example, let me add t-shirt with your custom brand logo. Then you can select the language and tone, then click on generate product description. Now scroll down. Here you can see that's done. So within seconds you can easily generate your product descriptions using this AI tool.